No rocio Dennis Yaduma wa Wira wa Ngaruiya rocio ni ndina guo na ndaiga within 2 weeks Ngaruiya na ukoro aigirite wira within 2 weeks ati na ti ndo akindu kingi to ni akuharia ni kwenda ndamoya wira ni kwenda atana haria so negotometo ni President of the Republic of Kenya ekole Manoro Dolet na gwiciria Ngaruiya wathi rucio tundamya gakoma ogo ni wakoma na kuria President iga ona no ndio muhitukire tundu gakoma rucio kuria kwanyu na ikuru twari nake thaici na ni andu mana 700,000 shillings ndio Ngaruiya ni yako na family yako ndongerera 300,000 to make it 1 million. Asante sana.
Have the courtesy of asking what we have done because it is important. Having said that, I agree with your women rep. Watu waachane na wewe kisiasa. Sasa wafanye kazi ndio so that now they are able to answer you through the work that is done. On that I agree, but I needed to answer that because it's good for the right narrative to be told. Sorry, Ngaruiya, I had to take this opportunity to respond because it's important to respond. The other bit I want to respond on is whether Ngaruiya has a job. You know, he doesn't have a job. The president has taken the microphone kwa kanisa ya JJ akasema huyu mtu namlipa pesa nyingi wakiwa na chipukizi just wave. Akasema watu wawili amewapatia kazi. CS Moses Kuria, sorry for speaking to you on microphone. 2 letters have been done to PSC. 2 letters. One signed by the State House Comptroller and another signed by Michael Gitonga, who is the chief MC of the president. For those 2 gentlemen. I know when you take this microphone, you're going to unlock that, and I'm sure within a month, they will have their jobs. We are not silent. Ngaruiya doesn't even need, mimi namtetea kupata kazi, wewe ulisikia nilipewa kazi gani? Sometimes it is not the title and the job that you are given by government. It's what you can be able to do. And Ngaruiya is doing exactly that. Kila mtu ameshika microphone hapa amesema Ngaruiya comes to their functions religiously and does not miss. Sometimes you have 3 functions and Ngaruiya somehow manages to connect all of them and go to all of them. Huyu kijana atumwachili. Na hata niseme atumwachili. I, as Dennis Itumbi, the man who mans the server for this country, and the guy who heads Radical, huyu ni wangu. So msiseme ana kazi. I personally take care of him. Ukiwahi ona Ngaruiya anateseka, don't ask him. Don't ask the president, don't ask anyone else. That's my responsibility. CS Moses Kuria atanisaidia hapo kidogo. I'm sure that we are going to resolve. But please people, please, let's have a habit of verifying information. There's too much information out here which is fake. I don't have time to respond to all of it, but I've responded to what was important. Now let me go to the money. Chairman wa KRA ametupa kitu kwangu akasema something around musicians and collection of fee. I won't promise you Skiza because that's Safaricom and I believe Safaricom is doing something about it. But this is what I'm promising you. MCSK, the other 2 priests, the other 3 bodies that have been collecting. During the National Drama Festivals in State House, they came and promised the president that in December last year, they were going to issue checks to musicians ranging from 500,000 to 10 million. I know that has not happened. I assure you, I am taking that up. Sina title, sina kazi, mimi ni mtu wa come here, go there, na niko na server. I am going to open the server for your sake. I listen to your music. Sometimes I even wonder where I can buy original music and listen to it. But I know I may not be able to buy the original music because there is YouTube. I am going to personally create a system for you that does not need middlemen to collect your money, where you just log in and check your money and collect your money. I'm giving myself a timeline of 1 year. In January next year, Gidhae kwa sababu tumewachana na wewe, summon these people in January next year, not for a burial, in this room, and call me. and I'll be giving good news at that time. I am going to personally dedicate myself to ensure you get paid for the work that you do. Pesa. Next year on a date like this, kwa sababu there is work to do. You also have to appreciate there is work to do. Kuna watu hapo lazima nisukume kidogo, nisukume hapa ndio hiyo mambo ifanyike. Maria Waruto, chairperson CA, 100,000. Engineer Maura has already been read, 100,000. Comptroller Kato, Adiko, the group that Ngaruiya serves with his heart, 100,000. Governor Sakaja has given 10 buses to take people to Subukia on the day of the burial. So to pigia watu wote makofi, the president has sent his CS, so his CS will announce whatever the president has sent. Tupigieni hao watu wote makofi. Thank you very much. It's now my pleasure to invite. I'm taking over the program from here, so I'm going to invite PS Rhodes to come and give his condolences.
Thank you very much, brother Tumbi. Jitago engineer Bogwa. Ikuyu kio jiguaga wega JJ. Hwaini wa mothe ndigikara-ini giki ni undu wa gitio kinene kia mwana wakwa Ngaruiya senior. Ndaingira thirikari-ini niguo twamenyanire wega na muruguo, akiguciriria na ni ngiguciririka, akiguciriria na nie uguo nitugitumite ndugu njega, na ni ageire na manyo ya kunjitaga ate ni mwana wakwa. Riu ni akimumunya go kahora na ritwa riu ate ni mwana wakwa. Riu wakimenyaga na maithe mangitowe no tugiukite giikaro niki ni undu wa ndugu njega itu na bwana Ngaruiya Junior, na nigutumitwo rabirabi bwana Ngaruiya. Ira ni turari na PS wa Public Health, Madam Mary, urio nake utigitwo ni sister yake, na aranjira ndoka ngwire giathi kianyu nake giticenjetie. Uguo no egwika atia? No ekwariria na nimakahurukia sister yake on Saturday. Uguo kaundu kau gakireho umenya nikio atirite, tondu ni twaririo maundu maingi nginya kihunjio kia JJ. Ni ngwenda ndikarie muno, njuge ithe wa Ngaruiya Junior na family yanyu mwamukire rabirabi citu kuma ngoro-ini. Ngai witu amuhe thayo na amugirie maithori, na tukiumagaria maitu akiririe guthie agitwaranaga na inywe rucio rwanyu rukorwo ruri rwega. Ngaruiya Junior riria ndireraga mutumia wakwa ni ngukira guku na aranjirire uririkane Ngaruiya Junior tondu atindire akenya gwitu engineer hindi ya homecoming yakwa, na ucio niguo tungatora waheire wa goro muno, na arakinjira wamukirira birabi cia family itu, na Jehova ni ekumwika wega tondu ni ngwenda gwita munene wakwa nyino mucumari wakwa nguruta Ngaruiya Junior nigetha ukiamukire ndigakihane ta ndikiri thoguo wa kanua. Mucumari wakwa wa 100,000. Thank you very much. Leo jete munene wakwa Moses Kuria nigetha nake atiri hau hangi. Karibu sana. Na mukiruta igoti nigetha tugiake bara muthina bena kuruta igoti na kio.